Luke 13. Turn from sin, come meet God. Some people wey dey there when Jesus dey talk, come tell am how Pilate kill some Galilee people, come mix their blood with their sacrifice. Jesus answer them, una think say na those Galilee people sin pass everybody because dem suffer all these things? I tell una true word, not be so e be. Unless una turn from sin, come meet God, all of una go die too. Those 18 people wey die when tower fall for their head for Siloam, una think say na their sin big pass for Jerusalem? I tell una true word, not be so e be. Unless una turn from sin, come meet God, all of una go die too. Israel people, make una bear fruit. Jesus tell them this parable. One man plant fig tree for him farm, so he come dey look for fruit from the tree, but he no see. Na him he come tell those wey dey watch the farm say, since 3 years now, I dey find fruit for this tree, but when I look, I no see. So make una cut am down. Why we still let am dey take space? But the farmer answer, Oga God, still leave am for this year, make I put fertilizer. Then if e bear fruit next year, we go leave am. But if e no bear, you fit cut am throway. Jesus heal for Sabat day. When Jesus dey teach for one synagogue for Sabat day, one woman wey evil spirit bend im body for 18 years dey there. When Jesus see am, he call the woman, come tell am, woman, you don free from your trouble. Jesus touch the woman, and at once im body come straight, and he start to praise God. But the oga for the synagogue vex say Jesus heal person for Sabbath day. So he come tell the people, we get 6 days when people suppose work. So make una come, make they heal una for those 6 days, but not be for Sabbath day. Then Jesus answer am, you wey dey pretend, una no dey lose una melu or donkey from rope go drink water for Sabbath day. So make I not free this woman wey be Abraham pikin, wey dey Satan prison for 18 years because today na Sabbath day. When Jesus talk this thing, shame catch all im enemies. So the people come dey happy because of wetin Jesus did do. God kingdom. Jesus ask the people, wetin God kingdom be like? How I wan take describe am? E be like mustard seed wey person plant for im farm. The seed grow, come turn to big tree, and birds build their house for the tree. Jesus talk again say, wetin I go talk say God kingdom be like? E be like yeast wey woman mix with 3 baskets of flour so that the bread go rise. Small door. Jesus travel pass some town and village, come dey teach as he dey go Jerusalem. Somebody come ask am, Oga God, na only few people God go save? Jesus tell them, make una struggle well well so that una go fit pass the small door, because many people go try to enter God kingdom, but dem no go fit. If the oga God wey get the house go lock the door, una go stand for outside dey knock and dey beg say, oga God, make you let us enter. But he go answer, I no know where una from come. Then una go say, we chop and drink with you, and you teach for our town too. But he go say, I no know where una from come. Make una no near me. Una be wicked people. Una go cry, dey grind teeth when una see Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and all the prophets inside God kingdom. But God go throw una for outside. People go from east, west, north, and south come sit down for the party for God kingdom. Then those wey be last go be first, and those wey be first go be last. Jesus go Jerusalem. That time, some Pharisee people come meet Jesus, talk say, run comot for here because Herod wan kill you. But Jesus tell them, make una go meet that man, tell am say, see, for today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow, I go still dey drive demons, dey heal people until my work go finish. But for today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow, I go go my way, because e no fit happen say they go kill prophet outside Jerusalem. Jerusalem people, on our way kill prophets and stone people wey God send come meet una. E don tey wey I wan gather una children as fowl dey gather im pikin under im feather, but una no dey gree. Make una look, una children don scatter. And I tell una true word, una no go see me again until una go say, God don bless the person wey come with im name.